Testing has become the gold standard in managing this pandemic. This video is to help you carry out the UK Biobank coronavirus antibody test at home. Please give yourself 30 minutes to complete the test and be sure you read all of the information within the pack before you start. First of all, wash your hands with soap and warm water and dry them with a clean towel. Now make space on a clean table and lay everything out. You will have an alcohol wipe, 2 lancets, one yellow, one orange, each with a protective cap over the end, 1 testing stick, which is in a foil wrapper, and a container of buffer liquid. You will also need a clock or a timer, which is not included in the pack. Take the testing stick out of its foil wrapper and lay it flat on the table. You may also notice a small pipette. You can discard that or use it if you think it is easier. The blue line by the C means it's ready to use. There is also a square well marked by the letter S where your drop of blood will go into, and a circular well marked by the letter B, which is for the buffer solution. You need to do the test as soon as you have taken it out of the wrapper. Next, open your alcohol wipe and wipe your chosen finger. Choose a spot at the top of one finger on the fleshy bit or the side. You can use any finger, but it might be easier to choose your left hand if you are right-handed, and vice versa. Hold the yellow lancet and twist the white cap 1 full turn to unlock. Then pull the cap until you feel it is separate from the device. Remove the cap completely. Press the uncapped end of the lancet firmly against your wiped finger until you hear a click. This will feel like a little pinch. Squeeze your finger from the base towards your fingertip until you see a large droplet of blood. With the testing stick lying flat on the table in front of you, allow the drop of blood to fall into the square-shaped well marked S. Be sure the blood covers the bottom of the well. The test will not work properly if not enough blood is used. If you are not able to get enough blood using the yellow lancet, you can always try pricking your finger again with the orange lancet provided. Now remove the cap from the buffer liquid container and add 2 drops to the circular well at the bottom marked B. Then start your timer for 10 minutes, but do not wait longer than 15 minutes before you read your result. Take this opportunity to throw away the lancet, the alcohol wipe and the buffer in a safe place and away from children and pets. After 10 minutes, if the line marked C is still completely or partially blue, whether or not there are other visible lines next to the G or the M, it means your test has not worked and no result can be given. If you would like us to send you a new kit in order to complete the test, please visit the participant login section at ukbiobank.ac.uk and click on Replacement Kit. Your test result is negative if the line C is completely red and there are no lines next to G or M. Your test result is positive for IgG antibodies if the line next to the C is completely red and there is a line, no matter how light or dark, next to the G or both G and M. It is likely you have previously had COVID-19. However, you must continue to follow the government's advice as we do not know if having antibodies against coronavirus protects people from getting COVID-19 again. Your test result is positive for IgM or M antibodies if the line next to the C is completely red and there is a line next to the M. When you are ready to send UK Biobank your test result, please visit the participant login section at ukbiobank.ac.uk and click on Enter Test Result. Thank you again for taking the time in contributing to this important research.